everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul video for you. I have a teeny tiny little Sephora haul and I have a Dollar Tree haul. So let's get started. I'm going to start with Sephora. I only ordered one item and I got some samples. I'll show you. I got this Dr. Dennis Gross Extra Strength Peel Pad set. I've used those before. And then the Amore Pacific Moisturizing Plumping Nectar Cream. So that looks good. And I got with my points, a NARS blush. And it didn't have what color it was. And of course it's Orgasm. So now I have more than one of these little blushes. That's okay. So the main thing I ordered was this new Huda Beauty palette. I got the Jaguar. And let me show it to you. It is beautiful in person. So I think we'll do some swatches real quick. So I'm going to go across the top. Oh, they feel nice. Let's go right here. I can see. There we go. Let me get a wipe. Oh, wow. That's the middle row. And let me go across the bottom row. There we go. I love that color that's in the middle. It's this purple one. It feels like it's very rough texture to rub your finger across it, but it feels very different. But look at it. Look at that in the light. It's a duochrome. I'm gonna put it where I can see it. Actually see it. That's gorgeous. I love that shade. This shade too. That one is. Which one is that one? That one is this one right here. Very pretty. These are gorgeous. So, I'm not sorry I bought it. It was $29. Let me wipe them off of my arm. $29 and I'm very happy with it. So I can't wait to actually use it. So yeah. That's all I got from Sephora. I'm being very good there. But now, when it comes to Dollar Tree, I spent $24, bought 24 items. I'm not showing you all 24 items because some of that stuff is not stuff you're interested in. So, and you may not be interested in this part. So if you're not, you can, it's okay if you want to leave and you just wanted to see what I got at Sephora, but let me show you. I got deodorant. I'm sure you're not interested in that. That's not fun. Oh, and I got a set of safety pins. Always use safety pins. Everything else I think is kind of fun. Okay, let's start here. I got this flower wreath, or this wreath ring. Hello. There's no flowers on it. I got this wreath ring. I have come up with the idea. I'm going to make my brother-in-law and sister-in-law a wreath for their door, or wherever they want to put it. And it's going to be Elvis themed. And I'm going to use this decorative mesh. So I got the white with the little shimmer in it. That's not all I'm going to use, but that's what Dollar Tree had. So I got one wreath ring. I got 3 of the mesh and 1 of this glitter tool. There we go. And I'm thinking I want to get some black and some gold ribbon, and I've got an idea in my head. So when the time comes, I will show you. Also in this bag, I bought 3 sets of these. These are wreath rings. There's 2 in a pack. They're small. And I had already decided I want to make little wreaths, little greenery wreaths, to hang on the front of my upper kitchen cabinets. So I bought 3 sets of these wreath rings so I can do that. So I don't have the greenery yet, the picks, but I went ahead and bought this stuff because they had it. We put all this up. Move to the next bag. Now, I have plans not only to make the Elvis wreath. I want to make my mother-in-law a wreath for Christmas. It's not going to be a deco mesh, I don't think. And then I want to make a Halloween wreath and a fall wreath for me. So, yeah. So I got these. This is for me to use when I make my fall wreath. I just bought this because it had these glitter leaves and regular leaves. So this is just going to be in my fall wreath. I don't think it will go with my Halloween wreath. But I thought, you know, get that. If you saw my last Dollar Tree haul, I bought these and I said I wish I had bought one more. Well, they had them, so I got one more of these. What am I going to do with it? I don't know. I will figure that out. Then this is for my Halloween wreath. I have an idea for my Halloween wreath. So I got 4 of these glitter branches. So, yeah, I got that. And I think that's all it was in this one. Put this up. And then my last bag is, let me see, let me get these things out. I found this in the craft section. It's 26 inch, well not, is it 26 gauge floral wire. Now I need silver, and I have ordered some silver, but this had purple and they had red, and I thought, well, I'm going to pick up the purple while I'm there. I can maybe use that on my Halloween wreath, or I could use it if you don't see the wire. So yeah, I mean, for $1, I got that. Now, their Halloween had been totally picked over from what I'd seen a couple weeks ago. So, but they did have some things I haven't seen in anybody else's videos. I watch some videos of people going to Dollar Tree, and it kind of upsets me because I'll say, oh, okay, I'm going to get that and that and that. And when I get to my Dollar Tree, none of those things are there. So, but these things were there. I got this kitchen towel. It says, having a spectacular Halloween. Now, this is just a dollar towel. I'm actually going to use this towel. When it's worn out, I will just toss it. This is not for decoration. It's to actually, you know, wipe our hands on. So there we go, for $1. They had another design too, but I wasn't as interested in it. And then I found these. There were 3 of these. I only picked up 2, and I got the only ones that were there. So they put them out. They went just like that. So this caught my eye first. The Witch's Book of Spells, and it's a little box. And this was $1. And that's what the side looks like. So that one I knew I wanted. And then I saw this one, which is Curses and Hexes. And then they had a third one that said Spells and Potions. But I didn't like it as well as I liked these. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do with these. But I got them. I think they're so pretty. They're pretty for Halloween. I'll do something with them. I don't know if I'll put like a decoration in them, or if I'll just stack them up, or I don't know. So anyway, that is my haul. That's everything I got. So guys, I appreciate you watching, and if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. So again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.